Good evening everyone. This is Rishali. In our previous sessions we discussed about complete human computer interaction subject with some previous lab assignments. I have mentioned complete HCI playlist link in below description box. Now in this session we will discuss about the next lab assignment, that is based on prototype and wireframing. In this lab we will discuss about how to create paper-based prototype and wireframe using a particular software. So let's start the session. The problem statement mentioned in your syllabus is you need to identify minimum 3 scenarios, and as per that scenarios you need to create a paper based prototype. Also you need to create a wireframe designs of that scenario by using a particular open source tool. So this is a problem statement. Next. So before move forward to these lab practicals, first you need to understand what exactly prototype and wireframing. So you must watch all this video that I have already explained: introduction to prototyping, types of prototyping, rapid prototyping techniques and wireframing in HCI. I have mentioned everything in detail in that particular videos. I have mentioned link of that videos in below description box. So before implementing a practical, you must watch all those videos. Next. What exactly wireframe and prototyping? So basically, wireframe and prototyping are the structure, means how your product look like after the development. Generally, wireframe and prototyping techniques are used in design phase. You can draw the wireframe and prototype in many different ways. So these ways have divided into the three types: low fidelity, medium fidelity and high fidelity. In low fidelity types, you can draw the structure of your particular application by using paper and pencil, or you can use any storyboard, sketches, or architectural student generally use wood or cardboard mockup to showing their particular prototype, right? So you can draw the structure, means when you click on button, next window is open, again you can perform different activities there, right? So these all things, this all structure have drawn by using paper and pencil. So this is called low fidelity prototyping. Next one is medium fidelity. In medium fidelity, you can use different softwares like PowerPoint slideshow, animations, or also there are different softwares have available like Figma, Just in Mind, InVision Studio, Waveflow, Adobe XD. So you can use any one software for creating prototyping and wireframing. And last one is the high fidelity. High fidelity means your final complete product. In development phase, you can use different programming languages or software to develop the product. So this is the final product is called as high fidelity prototyping, right? So as per your problem statement that mentioned in your syllabus, you need to create prototyping by using paper and pencil, and you need to create wireframing by using a software. So here I am using a Figma software for creating the wireframing, correct? Next. Now the first scenario is in your problem statement, you have to identify 3 scenario and you need to make a report of 3 scenario. Okay, so this is the first scenario. The first scenario is based on sign up system. I think you all are familiar with the sign up system. Every application has a particular sign up or login window is there, right? So see here in this image, this is a sign up system that will be that have drawn by using a paper and pencil, right? So this is a Google image here, that is email ID and password, two text boxes there, sign up button, then forget password, click here. Then again two button is there, sign up with WhatsApp, sign up with Facebook. And when you click on sign up button, next window is open, that is your mails, and there will be a all mails, inbox, updates, social, spam mails is there, right? So this is a basic example of sign up system, and this is called as paper prototype by using paper and pencil. You need to draw this design by using paper and pencil. So this is a structure, means how your product look like after the development, right? Now this prototype, you need to create a wireframe design of sign up system. How? See here. For that purpose you need to, I'm using here Figma software. Okay, so just go to the first link, figma.com. So when you click on that link, this kind of window is open, see here, right? Now just click on new design file. Okay, so when you click on new design file, this window will open. Okay, so this is your particular window where you to create wireframing of sign up system. Okay, how to create? See, the first step is there will be a option is frame. Okay, so in frame you need to choose any one frame, that is phone, tablet, then a desktop, watch. So you can choose any one frame from this area. Okay, suppose phone, so you can choose iPhone 13 mini. So see here, this kind of frame is there, right? Suppose you can choose desktop, means you need to create a application for desktop. So you can choose desktop frame, right? So this is a desktop frame. So you can choose those frame as per your project requirement. Now I am not choosing here any frame because I am showing you the just demonstration how to create wireframes. Okay. So just see here, go to this option. There is a rectangle. Now draw one rectangle here. Okay. So just imagine that this is your mobile screen. Now again take another rectangle for image loading purpose. So see here, there is an image. Now select those rectangle. There is an option place image. Okay. So I have already downloaded this image, Gmail. Okay. So select those image and place here, right? So this is your starting or top. There will be a image, that is Gmail. Now the next one is text. So just click on T for text. Okay. And place the text, that is email. Okay. So select those text and just select their size. Here size option is there. Select 24. Okay. Now the next text is password. So the next text password, right? Now after the email there will be a rectangle box for typing in your email ID. So just put here rectangle. Okay. You can also change the rectangle color. See here fill option is there and you can change the color, right? Now again take another rectangle and select a rectangle is there and maintain a same color, that is white color, right? Now there is a sign up button. So for button purpose, just take one rectangle here. Okay. And under that rectangle, you need to put a text. Okay. Suppose your text is sign up, right? Now that is sign up. Okay. So just maintain their size, increase their size, button size, that is 36 suppose. Okay. And again, there is a option. Wait a minute. See here, there is a effect option is there. You can also give the effect, that is drop shadow, inner shadow, layer. So I am giving you a drop shadow. Okay. And wait a minute. Yes. So you can give the semi bold or bold, right? So this is a sign up button. And again, at the sign up button, you need to place a text, that is forget password. Forget password. Click here, right? And just maintain their size, that is a smaller size, right? That is 14, or you need to maintain the 16 here, right? So this is option is there. So you need to also use their left, right and middle index for placing the content. Now next one is last button is sign up with WhatsApp. I think you all are familiar with these options, right? These options also having in different windows. So put sign up with WhatsApp. Okay. And again maintain their size, suppose 24. Okay. Select those words and there is a size 24. Okay. And now the next one is sign up with Facebook. Again take one rectangle and in that rectangle you need to put a text. Okay. So the sign up with Facebook. Okay. So you can also change the color also. Just select the window and there is a lots of colors option is there. So you can change the color. Okay. Now you can just uh, set the box size as per your requirement. Okay. Okay, you can change the box size, right? Now the next one is, wait a minute, just a second. Yes. Now again put again different rectangle is there. So this is your next rectangle. Okay. So when you click on sign up button, the next window is open, right? So just same again one rectangle is there and place image and select the image is there and same image is there, right? Now you need to put one line for separating mails folder and mails. Okay. So just put the one line is there. Now the first is all mails. So just put up here all mails. Okay. So and set their size. Just a second. Their size is suppose 16. Okay. Now again take another text that is inbox. Okay. Similarly again another text that is social mails is there. Again another text that is spam emails is there, right? So in this way you can set different folders and different text, and you can also set the colors by using this thing. Wait a minute. There is a color option, so you can set the color anyone, right? So when you click on sign up button, so there is a arrow must be there. Okay. So when you click on sign up button, this window will be open, right? So this is called as wireframing designs of sign up system. Now, as per your problem statement, you have to draw again two scenarios. So I am showing you this example of the scenario. The first one is shopping cart system and another one is flight reservation system. Okay. So you can draw the prototype by using paper and pencil, and also you can draw the wireframing designs like sign up system. Okay. So this is all about the lab 4, which is based on prototype and wireframing. Thank you. Keep learning.